Best 3D printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono 2. Anycubic Photon Mono 2 Resin 3D Printer. 6.6-inch 4K monochrome LCD. High-precision light turbo matrix. Enlarged print volume 6.49 inches by 5.62 inches by 3.5 inches. Unlock the next level of 3D printing with the Anycubic Photon Mono 2, designed for hobbyists, makers, and professionals seeking precision and speed. Featuring a 6.6-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen, this resin printer delivers highly detailed prints with sharp edges, smooth surfaces, and intricate designs. Its upgraded light turbo matrix ensures even UV light distribution, giving your models consistent curing and reducing layer lines for superior quality. With an enlarged print volume of 6.49 inches by 5.62 inches by 3.5 inches, the Photon Mono 2 allows you to bring larger projects to life without compromising detail. Its high-speed monochrome screen significantly accelerates printing times, cutting exposure times, and increasing productivity while extending the lifespan of the screen. The robust aluminum frame ensures stability and durability, reducing vibrations during printing and guaranteeing reliable results for every layer. The intuitive interface and smooth, silent mechanics make this printer user-friendly, perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. Lightweight yet sturdy, weighing only 5 kilograms, it's compact enough to fit on a desktop while giving you professional-grade printing performance. Its sleek blue and black design adds a modern touch to any workspace. Whether you're creating detailed miniatures, prototypes, jewelry models, or functional parts, the Anycubic Photon Mono 2 combines precision, speed, and reliability. Elevate your 3D printing experience with a printer that transforms your ideas into reality with stunning clarity and unmatched accuracy. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D Printer. Direct dual-gear extruder, fully metal, CR touch auto-leveling, silent motherboard, Ender 3v3 SE. Experience professional-grade 3D printing from the comfort of your home with the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, engineered for precision, speed, and reliability. Equipped with a direct dual-gear extruder, this printer provides consistent filament feeding, enabling high-quality prints with minimal stringing or clogging. Its fully metal construction ensures durability and stability, reducing vibrations for smoother layers and more accurate prints. The integrated CR Touch auto-leveling system simplifies the setup process, guaranteeing a perfectly leveled print bed every time. This feature, combined with the silent motherboard, allows for quieter operation without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for home or office environments. Weighing 11.5 kilograms, the Ender 3v3 Plus offers a robust yet compact design that fits conveniently on any desk or workstation. With its intuitive interface and wide compatibility with personal computers, this printer is beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for advanced users tackling complex projects. The Ender 3v3 SE model delivers precise prints for prototypes, miniatures, functional parts, or creative projects, all with professional-level detail. Its sleek design and durable build make it a reliable choice for long-term 3D printing. Whether you're a hobbyist, student, or professional, the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus provides fast, accurate, and stable printing, elevating your 3D printing experience to the next level. Perfect for anyone seeking a blend of efficiency, precision, and ease of use, this printer turns your ideas into reality with unmatched quality and consistency. Number 3. Prusa MK4S. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Quatches 3D Printer Kit. Beginner-friendly DIY assembly, removable print sheets, automatic calibration. Includes filament sample, 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 in print size. Step into the world of high-quality 3D printing with the original Prusa 4S 3D printer kit, designed for both beginners and experienced makers. This DIY assembly kit is fun and educational, offering hands-on experience as you build your printer from scratch while learning the mechanics behind 3D printing. Its thoughtful design ensures an engaging, rewarding assembly process without compromising performance. The 4S features removable print sheets for easy model removal, reducing the risk of damage and simplifying cleanup. With automatic calibration, the printer guarantees a perfectly leveled print bed every time, delivering precise and reliable prints even for complex models. Its 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inch print volume provides ample space for miniatures, prototypes, functional parts, and creative projects. Constructed from metal and high-quality plastic, this printer is both durable and lightweight, weighing just 10.2 kilograms, making it easy to move and store. Its sleek black design fits seamlessly into any workspace, whether at home, school, or office. Included in the kit is a filament sample, allowing you to start printing immediately and explore your creativity right out of the box. The original Prusa 4S combines precision, reliability, and user-friendly operation, making it ideal for learning, prototyping, or personal projects. Whether you're seeking a first 3D printer or upgrading your current setup, the original Prusa 4S delivers professional-level printing results, exceptional reliability, and a satisfying hands-on building experience. Transform your ideas into tangible creations with unmatched ease and quality. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer. Multicolor 3D printing. 4-color capability. Max 600 mm per second print speed. ACE Pro Sealed Filament Storage. 9.8 inches by 9.8 inches by 10.2 inches build volume. Take your 3D printing to the next level with the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo, a versatile multicolor printer designed for hobbyists, creators, and professionals. This innovative printer allows 4-color printing, enabling complex, vibrant, and realistic models without the need for post-processing or paint. With a maximum print speed of 600 mm per second, it delivers fast and efficient prints, saving time while maintaining exceptional detail and quality. The Kobra 3 Combo features ACE Pro Sealed Filament Storage, keeping your filaments dry, protected, and ready to use. This ensures consistent printing results, reduces filament waste, and simplifies material management. Its metal construction provides stability and durability, ensuring smooth layers, precise prints, and long-term reliability. With a generous build volume of 9.8 inches by 9.8 inches by 10.2 inches, you can create miniatures, prototypes, functional parts, or decorative items with ease. The printer's intuitive design and user-friendly interface make it suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to advanced users. Compatibility with laptops and personal computers ensures seamless connectivity for slicing software and remote control. Lightweight yet robust, weighing 9.2 kilograms, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo fits comfortably on any desk or workspace. Its combination of speed, precision, and multicolor capability makes it ideal for creative projects, educational use, and professional prototyping. Whether you're producing intricate models, colorful prototypes, or functional items, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo provides a reliable, efficient, and enjoyable 3D printing experience. Bring your ideas to life in stunning color and detail with this all-in-one 3D printer solution. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. One-click auto printing. 600 mm per second high speed. Quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle. Core XY all-metal structure. 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume. Elevate your 3D printing projects with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro, a professional-grade printer designed for speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring a one-click auto printing system, this printer simplifies the setup process, allowing users of all skill levels to start printing quickly and efficiently. Its high-speed 600 millimeters per second printing capability ensures fast production without sacrificing detail, making it ideal for prototypes, models, and functional parts. Built with a Core XY all-metal structure, the Adventurer 5M Pro provides exceptional stability, reducing vibrations for smooth, high-quality prints. The quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle allows for hassle-free maintenance and the ability to print a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PEG, ESA, TPU, PC, PLACF, and PTCF, giving you unmatched versatility for creative and professional projects. The printer offers a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters build volume, giving you plenty of space to create medium to large models with precision. Its multifunctional capabilities support a wide variety of projects, from intricate miniatures to functional parts, educational models, and more. With a compact yet sturdy design, weighing 32.1 pounds, it fits comfortably on a desk or workstation while delivering professional-grade performance. Whether you're a hobbyist, educator, or professional designer, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro combines speed, accuracy, and ease of use in one reliable 3D printer. Experience smooth, precise printing with a printer designed to handle a wide range of materials and creative challenges, making your ideas come to life with professional quality results.